In this video, I'll show you how to manage multiple businesses more easily inside QuickBooks Online, using the Locations feature, which can help you separate income and expenses by business line without opening a separate file. First, click the gear icon, go to Account and Settings, and open the Advanced tab. In the Categories section, find Track Locations, click Edit, and toggle it on. For clarity, change the label from Location to something like Business, then save and done. Now, when you create or edit transactions, you'll see a Business Location field where you can assign each expense, invoice, or deposit to the right business. The real value shows up in reporting. You can filter reports by business to compare performance and keep things organized. Just keep in mind this is best for one company with multiple lines, not completely separate legal entities with separate tax filings. Those usually need separate QuickBooks companies. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that keep your bookkeeping simple and organized.